At the end of our Module 6 last time, we already know that a solution is a special type of homogeneous mixtures consisting of solute and a solvent. So when we said solute again, class, these are the materials or substance that is being dissolved. Sila yung natutunaw. While solvent naman is the dissolving medium or sila po ang tumutunaw. Okay? So example ng solute is sugar or salt. Then for solvent naman, we have water, which is the universal solvent. Now, for this module, or module 7, is focused on the concentration of solution. The concentration of solution is a measure of the amount of solute that has been dissolved in a given amount of solvent or solution. So, meaning to say, pag sinabi nating concentration of solution, meron tayong mini-measure. So, for this module class, we need to compute for the value or the amount of solute in a certain solution or in the given amount of solvent. We can actually describe the solution by means of qualitative description or quantitative description. When we said qualitative description, it is the concentration of solution that is being observed and described without measuring or determining the value. So, ibig sabihin, itong qualitative description class, ito po yung na-observe natin. So, ano bang ginagamit natin for observing? Yun po yung ating senses. Now, there are two types of qualitative description in terms of the solution. So, we have concentrated solution and the dilute solution. When we said concentrated solution, it is a solution that contains large amount of dissolved solute. So, meaning to say na concentrated daw kung tawagin ang solution kapag maraming solute ang nasa or ang present sa isang solution. So, for example, naglagay ka ng 2 kutsarang water. So, water is a solvent. And then, naglagay ka ng 3 kutsara ng asin. And then, minix mo siya. So, as you can see, class, mas marami yung amount ng solute. So, ang mangyayari is concentrated ang solution. Then, a solution can be dilute if a solution contains a small amount of dissolved solute. So, normally, ito po yung pag nagtitimpla tayo. So, pag nagtimpla tayo, halimbawa ng milk, and then nag-add tayo ng sugar, normally, kapag yan ay tama lang yung lasa, syempre, ganun lang yung concentration ng solution na yun. Pero pag sobrang tamis, ibig sabihin, concentrated po ang solution mo. Yan. So again, pag sinabing qualitative description class, ginagamit natin ang ating senses. Next is the quantitative description. So when we said quantitative description, from the word itself, quantity, meaning meron or merong mini-measure na value. So it involves numbers. So, we have here percent by mass. Percent by mass po yan, class, hindi po percent B mass. Percent by mass, it is the ratio of mass of solute to the mass of solution. So, pag kinumpute natin yan, mass of solute divided by the mass of solution times 100. So, pag binigyan tayo ng given na nandun po ang value ng amount of solute and the amount of solvent lang, and you're going to get the percent by mass. Of course, you need to substitute the value of solute. And then, for the value of solution, you need to add the value of solute and the value of solvent. Okay? So, value of solute plus value of solvent. Yun po. Yun po yung mass of solution natin. Then, you need to divide mass of solute divided by mass of solution. Saka nyo po siya imumultiply sa 100. The same procedure po sa mass or sa percent by volume. Kasi class sa mass or sa percent by mass, in grams po ang ating kinukuha since mass yon. O yung mga ginagamit natin na given doon ay in mass. While percent by volume, ang ginagamit natin dito na unit is ml or milliliter. So, ganun lang din po yung pag-solve. Volume of solute divided by volume of solution times 100. Okay? And, kailangan po lagi yung tatandaan na 1 gram is equal to 1 ml din. Okay po? So that, pag pinakompute kayo or binigyan kayo ng problem at ang pinapahanap sa inyo ay percent by mass volume or concentration by mass volume, kahit saan sa dalawa ang pwede nyong gamitin na formula. Pwede yun. Okay? So, papalitan nyo lang instead of writing the percent by mass, ang isusulat nyo ay concentration by mass dash volume. Next, molarity is the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. So, pag sinabi nating molarity naman, ang minimeasure natin dito ay yung amount of solute na nadidissolve daw in a liter of solution. Okay? So, ang formula is as simple as this. So, we have moles of solute divided by liters of solution. Yun lang. And the unit of mole of solute is mole per, yung unit po ng liters of solution is of course liter. So, just if ever na naka-ml ang solution ninyo or ang unit ng solution nyo is ml, you need to convert it first into liter. And bago nyo gamitin yung formula ng molarity, you need to solve first for the mole of solute, lalo na kung hindi ito given, over the liters of solution. Then, next is molality. Molality naman is the number of moles of solute present in mass, in kilograms of solvent. So, ang formula will be moles of solute divided by mass in kilograms of solvent. So, kapag naka-in grams yung amount of or the mass of solvent, ang gagawin niyo po is you need to convert the amount of solvent into kilograms. And so, for example, class ito. The solution was prepared by dissolving 75 grams of salt in 100 grams of water. Then, calculate the percent by mass. So, first, you need to write the given. So, we have mass of solute, which is 75 grams. Yan. So, since salt is a solute, then mass of solution, we have 175 grams. Why? Kasi po, since solution po yan, ang hinahanap po is yung sum or the total amount of the solute and the solvent. So, we have 75 plus 100 grams is equal to 175. Then, percent by mass. So, we're going to write the formula. Percent by mass is equal to so we have mass of solute over mass of solution times 100 or 100%. Next step is for you to substitute the value. So we have mass of solute mass of solute is 75 grams over 175 grams times 100. Yan. So, cancel the unit. Then first is you need to divide 75 divided 75 yan, 75 divided by 175, ang total niyan is 0.428 or 0.43. Then, times 100. Then, ang magiging sagot mo dyan is 42.85 or 0.86 kasi 857 yan. Yan po yung percent. Okay, so percent by mass. Yan, so ganyan lang po. First example, calculate the molar concentration of a solution that contains 10 grams of potassium hydroxide in 150 ml of solution. Note that the molar mass of potassium hydroxide is equal to 56 grams per mole. So the first step that we're going to do is to get the mole of solute. So again, according to the given, we have 10 grams of potassium hydroxide. Then, yung ating molar mass, which, ang ibig sabihin yan, in every 1 mole, there is 56 grams per mole of potassium hydroxide. Ayan. Then, what we're gonna do is to multiply this one. 10 times 1 is equal to 10 divided by 56. The answer will be 0.18. So, ito po yung ating mole of solute. Next step is to get the liters of solution. Now, paano naman natin kukunin yung liters of solution? So, ang gagawin lang natin is to convert the given, which is 150 ml of solution to liters of solution. So, 150 ml of a solution times in every 1 liter, meron tayong 1,000 ml. So, we need to cancel the unit. Ayan. So, 150 times 1 is equal to 150. Then, 150 divided by 1,000 is equal to 0.15 liters of solution. So, ayan na po yung step 2. For step 3, we have to solve for molarity. So again, the formula will be molarity is equal to mole of solute over liters of solution. The next is to substitute the value. We have the mole of solute, which is 0.18, and liters of solution, which is 0.15 liters. Then, if you divide these two, the answer will be 1.2. So, we have 1.2 mole of potassium hydroxide per liter. Next is, if 2.5 grams of sodium nitrate is dissolved in 25 ml of water, calculate the percent concentration of sodium nitrate in the solution. So, for this one naman, we need to get the percentage concentration. Ayan. So, ang gagamitin nating formula is percent by mass. Okay? So, first is, of course, our formula is percent by mass is equal to the mass of solute over the mass of solution times 100. Next is to substitute the value. So, wag niyo po itong gayahin. At first, you need to write the given muna para hindi rin kayo malilito. Yan. So, what is the mass of solute? The mass of solute there, which is the sodium nitrate, is 2.5 grams. So, sodium nitrate. Next, mass of solution is 2.5 grams plus 25 ml. Ma'am, bakit po nilagyan pa ng ganyan? Kasi, sabi dyan, di ba, mass of solution. We all know that 25 ml is equal to 25 grams na din. Okay po? So, pwede mo na yan palitan. Pwede mong gawing grams yan. Okay lang. Kasi pares lang naman yung kanyang equivalent. Now, mass of solution. So, di ba solution ay binubuo ng solute and solvent. So, pagsasamahin mo lang yung mass of solute and yung solvent mo. Okay? Then, ang magiging sagot dyan is 27.5. Yan. Next, 2.5 grams sodium nitrate over 27.5. Sige, grams na lang ilagay natin dyan. Times 100. Then, cancel the units. Now, divide 2.5 or 2.5 divided by 27.5. You may use calculator for this. So, we have, again, 2.5 divided by 27.5, then times 100. Ang magiging sagot po ay, kasi this one is 0.090. So, yan yun, 2.5 divided by 27.5, then times 100 mo siya, ang magiging sagot is 9.09%. So, ito po yung final answer natin sa example. Last, rubbing alcohol is an aqueous solution containing 50% isopropyl alcohol by volume. Dito lang po yan sa given ha. How would you prepare 150 ml rubbing alcohol from pure isopropyl alcohol? So, ang ating pong solution ay, sabi dyan, we have 50% of isopropyl alcohol. And over 100 ml of solution times yung given natin, which is 150 ml rubbing alcohol. And so, rubbing. So, again, we need to divide this one. Yan, divide po natin siya. Pag dinivide natin siya, ay 0.5 po yan. And then, times 150 or 150 ml. Yan. And then, ang magiging sagot natin is, we have 75%. Okay? So, again, we have 75% rubbing alcohol in every 150 ml solution.